Would you look at that? Rear seats are missing. Sold them for 50 bucks. But yeah, I did sell them. Only have the rear panels left and this cargo thing. Oh, and by the way, I just got a spare bumper from the owner, from the previous owner. And for 50 bucks I sold the rear seats. I'm gonna use the 50 bucks for this sheet. Basically a pipe. I'm gonna do a muffler delete. And I'm gonna have to go weld this in. So I'll be going to the shop tomorrow. And I'll basically go weld this. We'll see the sound, we'll give you a good sample. We'll show you, and yeah, give you an update tomorrow. Alright, so we're out here. Just came to the shop. That's the shop. Gonna put it in. I'll see if I'll record inside there. Just quick weld. See what he asks from me, like the price, and that would be it. And I'll show you guys what's going on. So yeah, keep you updated. Here it is. Stock one's off. Nothing in there. She's probably so loud right now. Can't wait to hear. Gonna weld it in a minute. Here it is, y'all. Just a little bit left to grind down the edges and stuff, you know. This shop is the shit, actually. Shout out to Duals Mufflers in Winnipeg, Canada. If you're around here, should definitely check this place out. They take care of you. Oh man, she sounds so good. Just what I wanted, like a deep sound. I still didn't get on the, you know, still didn't slow it too much. Just got out of the shop. Man, that shit looks fresh. Okay. I'll give you a ride along. But the car sounds good. I don't know if it's gonna give some nice backfires and stuff, but I wanted it angled and stuff. It came out a little pricey, but believe me, it's both for the price. If anything goes wrong, I can come back and they fix it for me. But man, that shit is nice. So sorry for the view. I don't really see what you see right now, guys. So yeah, but this is mainly for the exhaust. Listen to the good sound of my people. This exhaust sounds so good, like for real, man. Well, I'll open the sunroof for you. Okay, let's go. Backfire can hear it have all the way. Well, I won't have it all the way because there's too many people are here. Fucking record my license plate and shit, and then I have trouble. Just me or not, but I just think I can feel a little bit better throttle response. I don't know if it's just me. I think it's like it's more responsive. I'm not sure though. Maybe it's just me, but it might be. Like a fucking wastegate is going on, you know? But without that, I went too hard right now. But you can hear like a whistle.